Okay guys, this is Ulu Pandan RC ya, Resident County United Pandan Bird Park. Okay, there's food here, a lot of red ants. A lot of red ants. Okay, there's more chicken here. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. Oh. Okay, you can see pigeons plus some kind of miniature chickens. I wonder how come they never fly out of the cage. Okay, this is the cage. Okay. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Hi. Oh, look at that. Oh, beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Oh, beautiful. What kind of rooster or chicken is this? Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Oh, this is well taken care of. Okay, Ulu Pandan Zone B RC. Okay, Ghim Garden RC. Okay, guys, I think I'm allowed to come in. Can I come in and see? I see. Okay, this is the bird. Yeah, can. Hi. Oh, all kind of bird. Can I see? Come in. Can.
Cannot go inside.
Oh, cannot go inside.
Yeah.
Oh, from
Go
outside.
inside building.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Outside.
Yeah. So you come to feed the bird
Yeah.
every day?
Yes.
Okay. Every day. Oh, luar. Oh, bukan dalam tak boleh masuk. Sorry. Okay, terima kasih. Dah lama ni benda? Ni garden.
Garden dah lama, burung-burung ni baru.
Oh, some burung barulah.
Garden dah
So,
lama.
wow, I'm amazed man, ni macam jurung bird park lagi bagus ni. Dia punya ayam macam-macam ayam apa tu? Dia yang ada bulu-bulu tu Okay. Oh, what kind of bird ya? Okay guys, look at that.
Bukan tinggal sini.
Bukan, I tinggal Punggol.
Oh, jauh kan?
Jauh ada kawan ni. Apa ni? I nak pergi tengok kawan sekejap. Semalam nampak macam-macam burung merpati ni tu very nice Alamak, I'm very. Mana Ni cantik. Ni tu dia. Ni burung dia. Okay guys, look at that. This is not the normal kind of pigeon. I know Mike Tyson collect pigeons also, but it costs a lot. Okay, that's very special.
Ini orang punya, ada orang taruh sini.
Oh, ya ke? Oh, but well run lah. Lama, I suka ni. First time Jalan. Terima kasih Okay guys, ayam sebelah sana Okay. Oh, okay, sana. Boleh masuk? Tak boleh masuk Tak, daripada luar aja. Okay, terima kasih. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This is a concierge walkabout. Okay, I'm at the Ulu Pandan Zone B, Ghim Road. Okay, there's all kind of animals, not animals lah, chicken, rooster, as you can see. Okay, this one is very beautiful. Okay, it's very beautiful. This is so cute. Look at the chicken. Hi. You want me to send you to KFC? Kentucky Fried Chicken. You want? You don't want. You prefer to stay here. Okay. Keep safe, huh? Okay, guys, what kind of fruit is this? Okay, what kind of fruit is this? Okay, I'm not sure. All kind of fruit. Look at that. Okay, they put a package. I think it's a jackfruit. This is jackfruit. Okay, jackfruit, yeah. There's a small one there. Okay. Oh, I'm amazed. Oh, beautiful garden, yeah. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, smash the like button, comments and share. You see the chicken under the cage? Okay, they're eating all the leftover that eaten by the chicken in the cage. So anything that dropped, they will rush and eat it. Okay, bye.